Bitcoin sounds complicated, but the idea underneath is simple. It's digital money tracked on a global, shared ledger that no one can cheat. Think of this ledger, the blockchain, as a book. Each block is a page filled with transactions. When a page is full, it's sealed and locked into the book. Once locked, it's practically impossible to change. Altering one page would mean altering every page after it on thousands of computers at once. So, how do you use it? To pay someone, you enter their Bitcoin address and the amount. Your wallet signs the transaction with your private key, your unique, secure signature. The network's nodes instantly validate that it follows the rules. Then, miners compete in a high-energy race, proof of work, to add the next page, block. When your transaction lands in that new block, it gets its first confirmation. The ledger updates, and the recipient now controls those funds. That private key is what controls your Bitcoin. From it comes a public key and the address where you receive money. And here's a key truth. Wallets don't store coins. They store your keys, which unlock coins recorded on the shared ledger. The whole system works without banks. Decentralization replaces middlemen with transparent mathematical rules. New Bitcoin is created as a block reward for miners, and that reward halves about every 210,000 blocks, or about 4 years, enforcing a fixed maximum supply of 21 million and predictable scarcity. Security comes from layers, a decentralized network, cryptographic signatures, an unchangeable chain, and immense mining power. While banks can freeze accounts or delay payments, Bitcoin settles globally in minutes with a fixed supply. People use it for borderless payments, online commerce, and as protection in unstable economies. Bottom line, open rules, shared truth. Digital, scarce, secure money built for the internet.